In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Smartsheet. Whether you're managing multiple projects or looking to start fresh with new tasks, replicating a Smartsheet can be a real time saver. So, let's dive into the steps to make this process as seamless and straightforward as possible. First things first, you want to begin by accessing the specific Smartsheet you wish to duplicate. To do this, log into your Smartsheet account, then navigate to your list of sheets. Open the one you intend to replicate. It's important to ensure you're in the original sheet so that all your data and settings are present for duplication. Double-checking that you're working with the correct sheet will help you avoid any potential confusion down the line. Once you've got the Smartsheet open, head over to the top menu and click on File. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Save as New. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is incredibly useful, creating an exact copy of your Smartsheet. It allows you to start afresh while keeping the original structure and data intact, which can be invaluable as you set up for your next project. After initiating the Save as New function, the system will prompt you to provide a unique name for your duplicate Smartsheet. This is a crucial step to help you differentiate between the original and the new sheet. Make sure to choose a name that clearly identifies the project or purpose the duplicated sheet serves. Doing so will save you time and prevent confusion, especially if your account is bustling with numerous spreadsheets. Once you've named your new Smartsheet, you'll need to select a folder to save it in. Good organization is key to productivity, so think about where it logically belongs. You might place it alongside related projects, or perhaps in a new directory that helps you keep your tasks well managed and easy to access. Now, here's an optional but noteworthy step. You need to decide whether or not to include attachments and discussions from the original Smartsheet. Your decision will depend entirely on the purpose of your duplicate. If these elements are pertinent to the new project or could serve as valuable references, be sure to check the option to include them. If not, feel free to exclude them for a cleaner start. Finally, the last step is to click on Save. This final action puts everything into motion, and just like that, your duplicated Smartsheet is ready for use. You've now successfully replicated your Smartsheet with all the essential settings in place, ensuring you can hit the ground running with your next project. So, there you have it. Duplicating a Smartsheet is a quick and efficient way to manage your tasks and projects more effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough makes handling your sheets just a bit easier. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more insightful tips and tutorials.